Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me ask you a quick question. How many of you woke up this morning wishing your floors could magically clean themselves? Yeah, I thought so. Well, stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why the brand new Roborock Qrevo CurvX robot vacuum and mop is not just another gadget, it's a complete game changer for your home. And before we go too far, if you want to dive deeper, I've put the full article linked down in the description and in the very first comment so you can read it after this video. Alright, let's get into it. So, let's be real. Robot vacuums have been around for a while. Some are clunky, some get stuck, and most promise to handle pet hair but end up turning into a tangled mess. I've tried plenty myself, and honestly, I was skeptical when I first looked at the Roborock Qrevo CurvX. But after testing it, I've got to say, the combination of 22,000 PA suction power, the 3.14-inch ultra-slim design, and the dual anti-tangle system makes this one stand out big time. Imagine this. You've got long hair, or maybe a partner, a roommate, or even a Labrador that sheds like crazy. Normally, every vacuum brush gets wrapped up in a messy wig of frustration, right? Well, here's where the Qrevo CurvX flips the script. Thanks to that dual anti-tangle design, I ran it across rooms where coarse long hair is basically everywhere, and the brushes came out almost spotless. No pulling, no scissors, no weekly detangling session. For me, that alone feels worth the price. But of course, this is not just about vacuuming. The Roborock Qrevo CurvX is a vacuum and mop combo that's smart enough to wash its own mop pads with hot water and then dry them automatically. And let me tell you, waking up in the morning, walking barefoot into the kitchen, and actually feeling the floor clean under your feet, that's priceless. Especially if you've dealt with drooling pets, spilled coffee, or just the everyday dust life throws at us. Now let's talk brains, because cleaning power without intelligence is just chaos. This robot features reactive AI obstacle recognition. It's not perfect, but it's good. It spots chairs, toys, even cables, and does a solid job avoiding them. I will say, if you remove an obstacle after it's already spotted it, the robot sometimes wants to restart the task. And yeah, that's a little annoying. But considering how much it gets right, it's a small price to pay. And here's something that impressed me: the AdaptiLift chassis. This feature lets the Qrevo CurvX lift itself over pretty serious edges. I've got a living room rug that stops most robot vacuums dead in their tracks. This one climbs right up and keeps on cleaning. That means less babysitting and more actual hands-free time for you. Let's be honest. Time is what we're all buying here. You don't just want a robot vacuum. You want a system that gives you back hours of your life. Whether it's avoiding daily sweeping, mopping sticky kitchen tiles, or wrestling with dog hair, the Qrevo CurvX is designed to solve those headaches in a real, tangible way. And here's a little humor for you. I used to joke that my old Shark robot vacuum was like a toddler. Loud, clumsy, and always needed supervision. The Qrevo CurvX? This feels more like hiring a professional cleaner that actually shows up on time. And trust me, that's saying something. Another detail worth noting: the zone interface. Once the robot maps your house, you can send it to clean just the rooms you care about. For me, that's the kitchen and living room in the mornings. The low-traffic, cluttered rooms, I declutter when I need them cleaned. It's flexible, and it puts you in control without needing to manually push the thing around.